Hi guys, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another review. This time it's a case for the Huawei P20 Pro from VRS Design. This cost me $12.99. I will leave links in the description below where I picked this up from. Use those links, helps me out. It helps you guys find it at the cheapest possible price and makes it easier for you to find. So, really nice case, probably my favorite case at the moment for the P20 Pro. This is the packaging it comes in from Huawei P20 Pro Single Fit label. That's the name of the case. It's a soft TPU style case. I'll just show you that. Very minimalist packaging, but who cares? So there's the packaging. Now let me show you the inside of this case. So in here it says VRS Design Lab, Design for Life. See that there shining, and in the corner here it says something about airspace structure or something like that in there as well. So that probably means each corner's got air pockets built into it, so if it falls it's protected from the corners. Now it is quite a nice thick TPU, really nice. It feels really good. So let me get my P20 Pro now and slip it on the actual, put the case actually on the phone itself. Sorry guys, just cleaning it a little bit. Now I'm rocking a full glass screen protector edge to edge. If you haven't seen my review of this, I've just filmed the review of this. I will leave a link at the end of this video. This is the best glass screen protector on the market, without a shadow of a doubt, for the P20 Pro. This is a full adhesive, edge to edge, tempered glass, 9H hardness, unbelievable screen protector. And for $7.99, you can't beat it. It's the best. At the moment, this is the best. No dot matrix horrible thing going on. No halo. No rainbowing. Touch sensitivity is perfect. Clarity is perfect. Trust me, you want to watch the screen protector review. But anyway, as you can see, this VRS case works perfectly with this full screen protector. As you can see here, oh sorry guys, as you can see here, there's no gap between the screen protector and the edge of the case. That's why this is my favorite combo. I'll show you the top. So you've got a cutout here for the IR blaster, one there for the microphone. On this side, you've got your volume rockers and your power button. Now on the, let me bring in a bit closer if I can get into focus. You've got your plus and minus symbols on the volume rockers, a little symbol on the power button to indicate the power button. You also got this ridge texture running along the sides here, which makes it nice and grippy. There's little slits cut on above and below each button here as well. You can see the light shining through. Makes them very easy to press. No issue at all with pressing them. The bottom cutouts are perfect. No issue at all with the cutouts. Love them. Oh, and this side, just some more ridges for extra grip. Now on the back, you've got this kind of a, you can see that, like a ridge design, which is actually, it's not a printed on thing, it's actually the case is like a ridge. So again, it adds more grip to the case. Bring that in close for you guys. This part here is a smooth TPU, so it makes it comfortable in your hand when you're using it. You've got a little bit of VRS branding there. It's a red plastic tab with VRS etched into it, which kind of gives it a nice design at the back. I like that. It makes it look a little bit more classy. Cut out for the cameras and the lens, perfect alignment, no issue there at all. There is a little bit of raised protection there, probably I'd say a millimeter protection, so the camera lens will not touch the table when you put it on its back. And you've also got lip protection, and that's with me using a full tempered glass screen protector. Look at that. Still got lip with it. I really love this case. I prefer this case to the Spigen rugged armor. Really love this case. For $12.99, I highly recommend this. I recommend that screen protector as well. That was $7.99. Perfect screen protector with this case. Absolute best combination. Beats everything. I'll tell you why I'm saying what I'm saying. Let me just bring in a couple of cases. Where are they? Here we go. So the Huawei official cases are very nice. Like this silicone one, it's all covered around the top, but the bottom's exposed. You can see there's the bottom's completely open on that case. The official car case, the car kit case from Huawei, it's open on the top. The button's all cut out there. The bottom's completely open and top's completely open. And there's no lip protection with this. So you can see what I'm saying. For protection, I'd say it's a fight between this and the Spigen rugged armor. I've reviewed the rugged armor. I have reviewed it. If you haven't seen that review, I'll leave a link at the end of this video so you can check that out. But do also check out that, as I said, the screen protector review. I'll leave a link to that at the end of this video. Somewhere here, it'll be here, or here. One of these corners, you'll see it. I've already done quite a few cases for the P20 Pro already, so you want to definitely check those out, guys. Any questions, leave them down below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button there and the bell notification icon. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video on all your social media because it helps me out, helps me grow the channel. I've got a lot more content coming up about the P20 Pro. If you haven't seen all my other videos yet, seriously check them out. I've done a camera comparison against the iPhone 10, low light shootout. I've also done hands-on first impressions, that sort of thing. I've done a ton of cases. I've done 2 screen protectors, now this. I've also got, wait for it, the official Huawei P20 Pro smart cover that I will be reviewing as well. I'm also going to be doing a review on the desktop experience. You know, when you plug a cable in into a monitor, how this turns this into a PC is essentially. And I'll be doing the review of the actual cable I use to do that as well. Quite interesting results, but I'm working on that video. So anyway, guys, as I said, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay safe, and I'll see you all again real soon. Peace.